Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning to my students. So we were doing exercise 9.2, I suppose, yes, and we have already done some examples of sequence, search, and fetch. Now let me start from exercise number 9.2 and write down the next three numbers, three terms in each of the following sequence. Exercise is 9.2. Exercise 9.2, and our uh, today's topic is sequence, search, and sets. So just to recall, I must tell you that we what we were doing. So we were doing to find the next terms, and we were doing the. So we start from a sequence which is given to you: 2, 6, 10, 14, 18, 22, and 26. This is just to recap. Recap. So we just will build a formula like this. Make some rows, make some columns. Okay. Now this is your n. This is your term. And what we will write here, I'll tell you. You see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A straight counting. N is a straight counting. And it can goes up to where do you want to. So terms are 2, 6, 10, 14, 18, 22, and 26. Okay. Now what is the, if we do, you see that from here to here it is plus 4. From here to here you see that this is 3, 4, 5, and then 6. 3, 4. There is a difference of, you can also check it like this. Plus 4 is the difference over here. And again, plus 4 is the difference over here. 10 minus 6 is plus 4. That means you are subtracting the later from the earlier, the later from the earlier, the later from the earlier. So it is plus 4, it is plus 4, it is plus 4, and so on and so forth. So that means our term is 4n. Our term is 4n. You see, if I multiply this difference with the number n, we'll be getting the number, exact the number. Now 4n is equal to 4n. 4n means 4n is, you see that n is 1 over here, multiplied by 4 is 4. Okay, and 4 multiplied by n, 4 multiplied by n, here n is 2, it is 8, it is so and so forth. So you are getting the multiples of 4 now. Multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 4, 6, 24, and 28. Now what we have done? What we have done, you see that our actual term is less than the fourth. Now this is the our actual sequence. This is the our actual sequence. 2, 6, 8, 10, 14, 18, 22, 26. So this is our actual sequence. Now what we have done is, for our actual sequence we have minus 2 from this 4n. Minus 2. That means our actual term is minus 2 from 4n. Minus 2 from 4n. So you see that 4n. Now for example, this is our 4n. This is our 4n. minus 2 is equal to 10. So you see that actual number, we have achieved the actual number over here. Now find you can find 100 term. Now suppose I want to find the 99th term. I want to find the 99th term. Now one method is to just keep on writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and just write it up to 99 or just 100. But that will just occupy whole of your board, and maybe you will, even then you may not get it, and or you make mistakes. So it is a very simple method. Now your term is 99, that means n is equal to 99. N is equal to 99. Now we have to find 4n minus 2. Now you see nth term is 99. Nth term is 99. So 4 multiplied by 99. 4 multiplied by 99 minus 2. So according to BODMAS rule, we have to multiply this. Okay, 4 multiplied 99 is 4 multiplied 99 is very simple. 4 multiplied 99 is 400 minus 4. 400 minus 4, that is 396. Just assume that this is 100 and multiply it with 400. This is all done in your brain. Minus 4, 396. 4 multiplied by 99 is equal to 396. Okay, and minus 2. 396 minus 2, our 99th term is 394. 394. You can just check it if you have time, so much time. Okay, our 99th term is 394. It's very simple. So just start that. There are different ways of formulating this. Uh, I've also told you about the quadratic. I've also told you about the multiplication. So let's start, and we'll be able to do some questions. Okay. Now, okay. Now, question number one. Question number one. Part is A. Okay, now write down the next three terms of each of the following sequence. Now this is 3, 7, 11, 15 and 19. 15 and 19. Now this sequence is given to you. This sequence is given to you. What we will do in very first step, we'll find CD. This is not the compact disc. This is common difference. Okay, we'll find the common difference between from the later to the earlier. Okay, how will we find it? We'll find it, just subtract it like this. Just subtract it like that, and you have to do it at least for two consecutive terms. So this is 4. So that means from here to here it is plus 4. That means from here to here it is plus 4. And what about this? What about this? 11 upon 7. It is again 4. So it is plus 4. And again plus 4. And again plus 4. So our CD our CD is plus 4. Common difference is plus 4 in this case. Okay. Now what we have to find is, we have to find three next terms. Three next term. Just add just add 4. Just add 4 in 19. So our answer will start from the red marker, 923. Okay, it is 23 and 4 27 and 427 and 431. So these are the three terms, next three terms, and if you want to check it, you can just do it. 23 minus 19, 23 minus 19, the CD will become 4, and 27 minus 23, common difference is 4. So our answer is 23, 27 and 31. It's quite simple. So all the three parts are like this. So need not to waste our time. Okay. Okay, now some technical questions are coming up in question number 2. Now question number 2. Let us start question number 2. Now it is important, and part A. Let's start from part. Maybe I do more than one question over here. List the first three terms and find 20th term of the number pattern given by the following rules, where t is equal to term, n is equal to position of the term. So we are given like this. Tn is equal to 4 minus 3n. 4 minus 3n. So this formula is given to you. You just see that, you just watch that I just formulated a formula over here in my recap. So it is just like that. 4 minus 3n, that was yes, that was 4n minus 2, that was 4n minus 2, just done in our example, recap example. 4n minus, now this is almost the same, almost the same. Now this formula is given, and it is find the first t terms and find 20th terms of the given pattern given the following rule. Now this is the rule given to you. This is the rule given to you, and we have to find the first three terms. First three terms. Now suppose our this is our formula 4n minus 3. 4n minus 3. Okay, we have to find the first three terms, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So if our n is 1 over here, put n 1 over here. So it will become Tn is equal to 4, 3 into 1. That is equal to 3 multiplied 1. 3 times 1 is 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So first term is 1. First term is 1. And if it is 2, you see, we are changing our n at every step. We are changing our n at every step. So it will become minus 6. 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6. Now it will become minus 2. 4 minus 6 minus 2. And for 3, it will become, you see, 3 it will become minus 9. By 4 minus 9, it will become 4 minus 9, it will become minus 5. Okay, so this is the first part, first three terms. We have found first three terms. Now this is your first term and second term and third term. This is the first three terms of this pattern. First three terms of this pattern. Okay. Now what about the 20th term? Now we have to also find we have also have to find 20th term. Now here you can write 20th term. Okay, that means we have to find the 20th term. N is 20 over here, n is 20 over here. So 4 minus 3, 320 multiplied by 20. So it is equal to 4 minus 60. So it will become minus 56. Minus 56. Our 20th term is minus 56. Unluckily, the answers are not given into your book. You have to rely upon what I tell you over here. Hope you would have understood this question. So let me proceed to my next part is C. Let me solve you for part number C. Part number C, where is marker? Yes. Part C is C. That is Tn is equal to 1 by 2n square. You see, we have come up with the square number now. Now the question is same, the 20th term and first three terms. Again, you have to draw a table with some columns and rows. So n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4 maybe. Okay, let me do it 20th. Okay, because our second part is the 20th term. So what is our formula? Half n square. Half n square. So n is 1 over here. So first will become like this. N is 2 over here. N is 2 over here. So 2 squared is 4. 2 squared is 4. If you can keep on doing like this, it will be like this. So it will be crossing or it will become true. Okay. And for third, 1 by 2. Of course, when you square it, it will become 9. Okay. It will 9 upon 2. 9 upon 2 means 9 upon 2. Or you can write it 9 upon 2. No problem. There are three ways of write it, either 4.5 or write it uh, 4.5. So these are three ways. Now we have to find the 20th term. We have to find the 20th term. Okay. Again, T20, not that cricket map. Half 20 the whole square. That is equal to half this. The 20 whole square is 20 multiplied by 20. Just do it like this. Okay. 10. So it will become 200. 200. The 20th term is 200. Question number 2 is same. If you want to uh, let me do one more question for you, and that me E, or let me do part number D. Part number D. Part number D is Tn n n plus 1 n plus 2 n plus 1 n minus 1. Very interesting sequence. N plus 1 n minus 1. This is a very interesting sequence. Okay, first three and the 20th. First three, 1, 2, 3 and 20th. 1, 2, 3 and 20th. So this is 20th, this is 3, this is 1, this is 2, this is n. Okay. Now our formula for is equal to Tn is equal to n plus 1 n minus 1. So this is the pattern given to us. Okay. So what we do, Tn is equal to Now just manipulate 1 over here. 1, 1 plus 1 and 1 minus 1. You see that when you manipulate 1 here, this becomes 0. This becomes 0. And multiplying anything with 0 will bring this a big 0 over here, a big duck over here. Okay? 1 minus 1 is 0. Maybe it is 2 and this is 1. So if you keep on doing it, it will be 2 multiplied 0, it is 0. Okay, 0. Anything multiplied with 0 is 0. And going further, we'll just do it for 2. Do it for 2 now. 2, 2 plus 1 and 2 minus 1. That is equal to 3 multiplied 1. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is equal to 2 multiplied 2 times 3 is 6 times 1 is 6 only. So it is 6. And our third is like this. 3, manipulate where the n with the number. Okay, n. 3, 3 plus 1 and 3 minus 1. 3 plus 1 and 3 minus 1. So it will become 3 multiplied 4 multiplied 2. Okay, it will be 12. 12 multiplied 2 is equal to 24. So you see that how our Tn is jumping. It has jumped from 0 to 6, 6 to 24, and for 20th term. What is for the 20th term? So T20. So T20 is equal to 20, 20 plus 1 and 20 minus 1. So it is equal to 20 times 21 times 19. 20 times 21 times 19. So this have to be done with the calculator. 20 times 21 times 19. So this will become 7,980. This is our answer for the 20th term. You see that how it is jumping. It has increased itself from 0 to 24 in just third term. So my dear students, how many questions are there in 9.2? Oh, find 15th and nth term for the following sequence. So I can do one more question for you. One more question. I hope you would have understood question number 2. The pattern was given, so we have find what was asked in our question. So in question number 3, now this is the last question of this section, because otherwise the lecture is too much lengthy and you don't watch my lectures. Yes, I know. So question number 3. Question number 3. Now what is asked here is part. Let me start with part A as usual. It is said that find. Now there are two again, 15 term and nth term. So 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. 9, 11 and 13. So what we have to find is the nth term. We have to find the nth term and the 15th term. 15th term and nth term are required. Okay. Now, first of all, we have to find CD. 7 minus 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. 11 minus 9 is 2. 13 minus. So the CD becomes 2. CD is 2. Okay. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now you will have to formulate a sequence over here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 15th, which is asked over here. 15th term and nth term. This is also asked. Okay. Now n is 1. So term to term rule is 5, 7, 9, 11, 30. Now these are given to us. These are given to us. So n for 1 is equal to this, for this, for this, and this. You see our difference was 2. So that means it is 2n. 2n. 2n means n is 1 over here. So it will become 2. When n is 2, it will become, so this will become over here. You see 2 times n, 2 times n for this is 4, 2 times n is 3, 6, 2 times n 4, 8, 2 times n 5, 10. Now we have to find the 15th term, and now we have to, now it will become, now you see that this is and this, just find it like this. Is it 2n plus 3. Our formula, our pattern is like this. 2n plus 3. You see that for, let us check it for this one. Let us check it for this one. So our 2 into n is 3 plus 3. So just do it. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So this is our 9. Okay. That means our pattern is correct. 2n plus 3 is our pattern. Now what we have to find is the 15th term. We have to find the 15th term. Now our n is 15. Our n is 15. 2 multiplied by 15 plus 3 is equal to 30 plus 3, that is equal to 33. So this will become 33 over here. This will become 33 over here. Now we don't have to find this one. Only this one. 15th term. It is 33. And about the nth term, this is the nth term. 2n plus 3. 2n plus 3. So how, this is how you do it. All questions are like this. So it's time to say you goodbye. If you find any uh, difficulty in these questions, you can just comment me in the comment box. So I'll do it for you. It's time to say you goodbye. Allah Hafiz.